What's up, YouTube? This is the Big Bad Wolf, aka Mad Grinding My Gears rapper. And today, this shows you just how fucked up the world is. And it ain't gonna get no better. It ain't gonna get no better. It ain't gonna get no better. You can't sing no songs. You can't do this and that. Talking about the world gonna change. It ain't gonna change. Yeah, it's gonna change for the motherfucker worse. But here we have co-founder Erica Dobson dishes on her $1 million luxury extension line. This chick makes let's see, probably around her company does anyway. This was in 2013. She made almost $9 million, $8 million. She probably makes around, especially after this, because she getting publicity. This year, she gonna probably make 20. For anyone that doesn't know, freaking weaves is, and wigs and all that was a $10 billion hair line, and 90% of that come from black women. Which is sad. They want to look like everybody but they damn self. And as you can see, all her advertising products are towards black women. Stagehand, show me that, show it. Alright, we're going to scroll through right here. You see the Indian neat. You can look like an Indian style right here. You see it's black woman again. Scroll through it. Keep on going. Keep on going. Another one, your little luxury peacock curly stuff. But everything that she does is about black women and trying to get them to look not like a black woman. So, and she's making a lot of money doing this. This is fucked up. It's a fucked up industry. This does teach self-hate no matter what anybody says. They say white people do it too, yeah, but not like we do it though. We do it big. I'm talking about $10 billion and $8 billion of it. We do it, if not more than that. They won't tell us the exact numbers, but you see some black people, they always got a weave on something that ain't their hair. This is what we look like. This is what it look like every day, all day. The hair industry, period, is booming for black women. Even perms and everything straight in their heads, all about not looking like they self. This is fucked up. It's more and more bitches like her that keep on making sure that us motherfucking black women, our black women don't want to look like they motherfucking self and shit. And the black men don't know what the fuck to do. This shit's right here is pretty fucked up. I don't really know what to keep saying because I'm mad as hell, and it's like I just want to eat them. Just want to eat the damn thing and shit, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna get the fuck off here. Play YouTube.